Hi lovelies, you're welcome back to my channel. Today we are making moi moi from scratch, and I'll be showing you how to make moi moi using two different methods, steaming and baking. Have you tried adding plantain and egg to your moi moi before? Save this recipe because it is a banger. You would want to come back to it. It comes out so lovely. Let's get right into it. First thing first, let's peel the beans. Here is a pro tip. If you want your beans to peel easily, slightly soak it for a few minutes and then put that in a blender and use the pulse function, or you can also use your food processor. Pulse it, and this will help to loosen the peel. Pour that into a bowl, add in water and wash away the chaff. You can make your moi moi without peeling, but peeling the beans ensures that your moi moi comes out smooth and soft instead of grainy. The next thing we're going to do is to put the ingredients together. So the first thing is the eggs. So I actually use eggs in two ways for this moi moi. The first one is I whisk some eggs and add them into the blended mixture because this will make the mixture to be richer, creamier, and it helps it to set perfectly. Then I'm going to boil in some eggs separately and I'll peel them and place them inside the moi moi as well. This adds a nice texture and some more protein. And then for plantain, I love to add it because it adds this natural sweetness and softens the texture. This is optional, but I love it. And then go on to add your onion, scotch bonnet, red bell peppers for that flavor and a gentle kick. You can adjust the scotch bonnet depending on your spice tolerance. And then I've got some turkey stock and the crayfish. These two is going to be adding a depth of flavor to this. It also adds that umami flavor. You can't make moi moi without the crayfish. I mean, it's crayfish. You want to add it. Another thing again is, if you decide to skip the plantain and egg, you will still get a classic moi moi. I just like to add this for extra taste and texture. So it is totally up to you on what you want to add and what you don't want to add. But if you want to do like me, you can follow and add all these things, okay? It comes out so lovely. It comes out so tasty. Now go on to blend your mixture in batches. This small cup I'm using here works best for me for smoothness. Go on to also add your seasoning powder and salt as you go. Once everything is blended, stir in your olive oil. This keeps the moi moi moist and adds a silky texture to it. Go on to oil your plates and your baking dish so the mixture comes out easily, and it's also easy to scoop the batter in. So if you're adding boiled eggs, this is the time. Cut and place them inside. For the baking, preheat your oven to 180 degrees and then go on to place the moi moi in a baking pan with some hot water around it. This creates a gentle steam so your moi moi doesn't dry off easily. So you want to add this water to it, okay? And bake that for 40 to 45 minutes, but you have to be checking that from time to time. You want it firm but still moist on the inside. You don't want it to be too dry. And for the steaming, add water to a pot, place the plates of moi moi inside, cover and steam on low heat for 30 to 35 minutes. You have to check it occasionally to make sure the water hasn't boiled down. If the water has gone down, top it a little water. Now, this baked version is slightly drier, but it holds its shape well. The steamed version is also soft and moist, but they are delicious. So try whichever one you like and let me know which one you prefer. Once everything is cooked, remove from the plate carefully and serve it with pap for a traditional pairing. I mean, moi moi and pap, they go hand in hand. Both of them love each other. And that's it. Your distinct moi moi is ready. I love adding plantain and egg because it makes the taste richer and it gives a gentle sweetness. But feel free to make it just with beans if you want it like that. Thank you for watching. Save this recipe because it's a banger. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below. See you in my next video. Do take care. Bye.